Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a simple question. What happens if you stop working tomorrow? For many people, the answer is frightening. The paycheck stops, the bills keep coming, life becomes stressful. This is the reality of relying on only active income. Active income is the money you earn by trading your time, energy, and skills for money. You work a job, you run a business daily, you complete tasks and get paid. There is nothing wrong with active income. In fact, it is where almost everyone begins. Doctors earn active income, teachers earn active income, engineers, drivers, entrepreneurs, they all start here. Active income builds the foundation of survival. But here is the problem. Your time is limited. There are only 24 hours in a day. You can work harder, but you cannot create more hours. That means if your income depends only on your time, your financial growth will always face a ceiling. This is where passive income changes the game. Passive income is money that continues to come in even when you are not actively working. It is income produced by assets. Think about this. A rental property can pay you every month. A dividend-paying investment can send you income every quarter. A book you wrote can generate royalties for years. An online course can sell while you are sleeping. You work once, and the income can continue. Now, imagine the difference. With only active income, life feels like running on a financial treadmill. You run every day just to stay in the same place. But passive income is like building a financial engine. At first, the engine is small, it moves slowly, but as you add more assets, it becomes stronger. Eventually, the engine begins to move your life forward. The goal is not to quit active income immediately. The goal is to transform active income into passive income over time. You earn actively, then you invest wisely, then those investments begin producing income. This is exactly how many financially successful people build wealth. They do not just work for money, they make money work for them. But let me be clear about something important. Passive income is not instant. It requires patience, it requires discipline, it requires long-term thinking. In the beginning, you may need to work harder than everyone else. Work your job, save money, learn new skills, build assets. But slowly, something powerful begins to happen. One income stream becomes two, two become three, three become many, and suddenly your life changes. Now your rent is covered by an investment. Your groceries are paid by dividends. Your savings grow without constant effort. This is when you move from financial pressure to financial freedom. Freedom does not mean you stop working. It means you choose how you work. You work because you want to, not because you must. You spend time with family, you pursue meaningful goals, you create opportunities for the next generation. This is the power of combining active income and passive income. Active income builds the starting point. Passive income builds the future. So remember this simple formula. Work for money first, then build assets so money works for you. The journey may take years, but every investment, every skill learned, every asset built is a step toward a life where your income no longer depends only on your time. And that is the moment when work becomes a choice, not a necessity. Thank you.